Well, hello. Welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel with the mail call. I was just thinking, go to Hobo Freight, and I bought something I already got. So, hey, maybe somebody needs something, want a prize package. Uh, uh, what can we say? Stay tuned to the end to see how you can win a half-inch Pittsburgh half-inch 9-piece star point socket set. T20, 25, 27, T30, T40, T45. Hey, shit, yeah. Bless me. You get a T20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Yeah, wow. No, I made this. No, I didn't make it on nothing but myself. Does that look like a basketball to you? Yeah, I think it does. I kind of looked at a picture and somebody else had one on eBay or something, Etsy or something. But I made that for somebody. Who it's for. Let me get the king and we're going to do mail call. Run that intro. This is not another Christmas song. Yo! Hello! Welcome to Bike Noise channel. It's a little nippy out here today. 60 something yesterday. Now this is December the 11th, I believe. Yeah. And that's in the way, ain't it? Can you hear me? Testing 1, 2. Hello. I'm Johnny Cash. Anyway, let's try that again. Hey, welcome to Blue Bike Noise channel. This is stuff I ordered. I got me some because I was running a sale, so I bought me some diesel injector cleaners, cleans and lubricates for that was 160 gallons. So I got that and 2 things of brake cleans, because you never know when you're gonna need to clean your brakes. Got a sticker. We'll put that on the board because it's a new board and they ain't got us one yet. Alright, and I also I ordered bought a shirt from these people, Vice Grip Garage, Derek and his family, and I'm gonna win that 68 and over Yanko tribute card. Am I? Nope, because probably people spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars. But anyway, each $5 you spend, you get a chance to win it. It's already too late, so don't even go try to win it, because I'm gonna win it. Who am I kidding? I wish you could make it easy, PLO. We do a mail call, but I ordered this, so it came in the mail, so therefore it's mail call. I just clipped my fingernails, so I ain't got no fingernails to dig it loose. So we'll put that one right there. Vice Grip the Eagle. Oh, yeah. And this is his son, Bradley. Anyway, Little Grip Garage. If you ain't checking out Little Grip Garage, he's a pretty cool little dude. He's like his daddy, but smaller. He building go-karts and riding his dirt bikes and just having himself a grand old time. Yep. And everything he spends it with his own money for getting his stickers and his channel's monetized, I guess. So we'll put Little Grip Garage right there. So support him. All right. So let's get in the mail call. Well, you know who we got. We got a postcard from Dream Big Productions. It's a kitty cat. We just did them last time. This was post. Can't see the postmark on it. It says from Arizona. Huh. Anyway, we got a kitty cat. Well, hey, my staple gun's already stapled up, so let's nail it. And this is from Bikes, Beards, and Brews, but it don't look like no Dixon flannel. Probably one of them cards that you open it and it plays music till it stops playing music. Have a shitty Christmas. Oh, me. I don't see. Oh, giving a thumbs up. Look like he's holding something. You can't see it. But anyway, it's a postcard. Doyle, thanks, motherfucker. Trilogy is fucking. Trilogy is fucking complete. Your trilogy is fucking complete. Hope you have an epic fucking Christmas and a fucking sweet New Year's. Cheers, Ben and Abby, Albus, and Archie. And that's the dog. You know, they dog rescues and all. So we'll put Ben up. I've got, see, that's the one from last year, or year before last, and all. So we'll just put that one right there. How about that? We'll do that. You want to do that? I'm gonna do that. Do. All right. So pretty much that's my Christmas direction. I just realized I got Christmas cards all around it. And I'll probably cover some of them up, but you know, there's last year's and year before last. And if you know who that's from, you know, you might know. I don't know who that one's from. I know who that one's from, and it's an old one, and that's from Beth and Doyle. Somebody, let's see, who's that from? Somebody, Jody and somebody, I don't know. And then that one, and you know that one's from, and Ben's, and rest of them back there, and MP something, and M3P Pro Dave, and that's a Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. We don't see many more of a Giddy Up gal. I don't know. Let me go check on them. Anyway, that includes mail call. Later. Oh, check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button. Have a Merry Christmas. Later.